Electricity is a vital tool used in many manufacturing processes. One of the most common uses is the transformation to mechanical energy. Kelch is a division of Bemis Manufacturing. At Kelch, we transform electricity into various other forms. One important form is mechanical energy to apply pressure and convey materials. In this example, we need to manipulate a 1,500-ton hydraulic plastic injection molding press. This motion is accomplished by transforming electrical energy into rotary mechanical energy, which is then transformed into hydraulic energy. This is item 2-MTR. It's a Delco Products model number 2N9305CV, serial number B-76. It is a 240, 460 volt, 3-phase, 60 Hz motor. Its insulation class is B at ambient temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. It is a 60 horsepower continuous duty with 1190 RPM. Its ampere rating is 162/81 amp with a service factor of 1.0. The motor circuit is protected by a square D circuit breaker, item 2-CV. It is a 125 amp interrupting rating with symmetrical amps at 480 volts are 25K, rated for 75-degree conductors. The motor is protected by a General Electric motor starter, 2-OL and 2M-1. The motor starter has a 120 volt 60 Hz coil. It is a NEMA size 4, 600 volt 135 amps and a max of 100 horsepower at 460/575 volts. Conductors servicing the motor are MTW number 2 AUG. Hydraulic pressures are required to move the die set and apply clamp pressure, as well as part ejection routines. Here we have an ABB robot removing 4 injection molded parts for a Honda Power Equipment tank. Notice the part ejection slides. This machine is controlled by a computer numeric controller, CNC. ABB robot is very flexible and can be used for part pick-and-place, assembly, and welding applications. Here we are using a three-phase motor to run a vacuum pump which holds the four components in the weld fixture. We then melt and weld the plastic for a predetermined time. In this step, we use an air-activated vacuum pump to pick and place a stainless steel screen and weld it into the tank component. We use three-phase motors to convey materials. This conveyor delivers molded components to the first assembly station. This conveyor is single phase. It conveys welded components to the second assembly station. In this step, we leak test the welded tanks using a pressure decay test to verify zero leakage at a predetermined pressure. This tester uses a transducer to compare atmospheric pressure to the pressure losses in the tank to determine a leak. Three-phase motors are also used to complete the packaging requirements for this part. To keep the tooling cool, water is used to exchange heat to a tower water system. When the ambient temperature is too high, three-phase motors run chiller compressors to further chill the tooling water. Three-phase motors are also used to convey plastic raw materials through a central system using a vacuum pump. Three-phase motors are an important part of any manufacturing process.